Alright, good evening guys. So today I would like to share how to grill hot dogs using your Verly hot dog roller. Alright, so we would like to share this one because I know it's, some of you would like to start a business and you don't know how to use your Verly hot dog roller. So based on our research, here's the actual procedure. So this is our Burley hot dog roller. It has two switch here. One is for the light right here, and then the other one is for the roller, in order for the roller to turn. And this two right here is for the thermostat. This one is for the front grill heat, and the other one is for the rear or the back grill heat. So first thing first, what we need to do, we need to preheat your Burley hot dog roller. So in order for us to do that, let's switch on first the light right here. There you go. And then we're going to turn on the roller itself by using this switch there. So right now, as you can see, the hot dog roller is now starting to turn. And then next step, we're going to set the front and the rear thermostat to 190 degrees so we can preheat it for at least 10 minutes. There you go, 190. And then the rear is 190 as well. So this is the initial setup or the initial settings enable for the hot dog roller to preheat itself. Alright, so that will be for 10 minutes. Okay. Alright, so guys, it's already 10 minutes and the hot dog roller is already preheated. Now, next thing that we need to do, we need to apply some oil. So we'll put some oil with all the rollers. Just like that. To make sure hot dog won't be sticking with the rollers. Alright, so let's put some oil and we're ready. So for this hot dogs, it's already pre-steamed. We already steamed it for approximately 10 minutes, I think, 10 to 15 minutes. So after we already put some oil on the rollers, we'll just put the hot dogs. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. So 4 hot dogs, jumbo hot dogs. And now we're going to lower down the temperature. Right now it's in 190. We're going to put it to 150. Put 150. 150, and we're going to leave it like that for at least 15 minutes since our hot dogs was already pre-steamed for about 10 to 15 minutes as well. Alright, so let's wait for 15 minutes. Alright, so guys, it's already 15 minutes, and as you can see, our hot dogs is done. Now, if you want to keep it warm, you can just you can put your thermostat to 130 degrees, front and rear. Depends if there's like a lot of hot dogs inside the roller, then you have to set it both 130 degrees for front and rear. However, if there's not much hot dogs inside the roller, you can just leave the front thermostat running for 130 degree, and you can switch off the rear thermostat so as to save electricity as well. Alright, so there you go. This is how you operate your Burley hot dog roller. If you have like a better idea, please let me know. Please inbox me, or please do send your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my video. All right. So once again, please do hit the like button, share, subscribe. Froggy Bear 27. Thank you. Bye.